All right, check this skid steer out. This is a 2014 John Deere 323D. I want to give this thing a test. I really want to buy one of these, but this is my buddy's machine. Got to do some things to it though, like he put a battery in it, and the cables need the bolts put in it, and side cover's got to go back on. But these are so much different. Like mine's a 2000 John Deere 260. This thing is pretty sweet. Oh, look at that, the handles. Yeah, okay, look at that, the handles already broke. Door doesn't stay open. But this is pretty nice. Got the pilot controls and no foot pedals. Got a gas pedal down there. But I don't know, satellite radio, air condition, heat. But this thing's pretty cool. So yeah, I want to test it out and see what I think about it. He put some tracks on it too. But he's not selling this one, but I'd like to give it a try. I see a couple in Marketplace for pretty good deals. I think he paid $38,000 for this with 900 hours on it, I believe. He did have to do a couple things to it though already. Like the fan has a clutch on it and that went bad, so he fixed that. And I'm not sure what else. Oh, a couple sensors. He had a problem with it starting. He had to redo the sensors on it. But let's get this battery fixed, throw the side panel on, and go test this thing out. See what we think about it. I don't know, man. It's pretty dead. All right, let's try this with.
If it died and you let it freeze, then.
I think that's what happened.
Well,
all right, I just wait for the countdown.
instead of make so many videos, you should charge your battery. Hey.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, just.
I got new batteries.
Say ready? This is covered. It's heavy duty, but when you get a rock stuck between here and you curl your bucket, it bends it in. So I put it in a press and straightened it all out.
And that protects the piston for the
if you look in there,
quick coupling.
When you hit the button inside, you'll see these red levers come up.
Oh, okay.
And then you know your bucket's disconnected.
That's it. Nice piece of bluestone. So to kind of explain what I'm doing here, the mailman still has to get to the mailbox, so I got to keep this kind of, I should fill this in with stone really, so he could just drive in, put the mail in there, and then drive back out. So I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna put dirt here. I'm gonna put dirt right here in front so we can put some plants in there. But I'm thinking about coming around this area with like a berm so I could plant trees on top so you can't see my house so much. All right, I know it's dark out, but look how nice that is. That's exactly what I wanted. Nice and level, all the rocks are out. All right, I'm having a problem with this thing. It will not rev up. No matter what I do, it's warm. I let it idle for 10 minutes to warm up, and this thing will not rev up. And it's got like a full tank of fuel. No matter what I do, close that, take this brake off. Look, nothing, no gas pedal action, and this is the throttle here too. Nothing. I don't know. I wonder what would do that. Terminals. No, they're tight. Here's a fuse here though. What's this fuse for? No, it's just a Diagnosing. I don't see any wires off. Look up at the. Ah, man. Trying to avoid flipping the cab up, but it looks like I might have to. I don't know a crazy amount of, I don't know that much about these things, but just trying to see if there's any plugs that fell off or what would make that happen. Oil's good. So all I'm getting now is clicking. That relay looks like it's like crooked in there. Oh, I wonder if that was it. It's weird. Nope. Fuses. Oh, that bottom fuse. That bottom fuse right there. All I did was wiggle that. I wonder if that fuse is. See, that stuff's still staying on. Sit on the seat on these. Yeah, look, all those lights are on. No gas pedal. Turn it off and back on again. Same thing. Go back down to the problem area. Is that fuse blown? Not blown. I hope there's nothing wrong with this here. Oh, I'll drop it. Oh, there you go, 4 fuses there. Not blown though. Relays up there. 1, 2, 3 relays and 4 fuses. That one's still good. I don't think you need the seatbelt. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I have no idea. I ran this machine the whole time with no seatbelt. And now, that's it. Alright, so the plan is moving the brush. So all this here, logs, and I got a pile here. Now you can see it's really wet here, especially over here. Look that's all water in there. And I can't drive my tire machine in here. It instantly gets stuck. I mean, I can't do anything with that. Little Moss wanted to say hi to everybody. Come here, buddy. Come here. What are you doing, buddy? Staying warm in the truck. Good boy. All right, I'm gonna end this video on this John Deere 323D. Very nice machine. I like how the arms are lower, so you have good visibility out your windows. That's something John Deere always did, instead of having the arms come like way up where it blocks your view. So that's a big plus. I don't like that it doesn't start in the cold and it doesn't have a block heater, so you can't plug it in. I don't know if that's normal. You guys, you know, let me know what you think in the comments. You know, I'm really considering buying a track machine, and this is the first time really running one like this. I use Andrews for like brush hogging and stuff like that, but this machine is the first one I've actually ran for a couple days doing stuff, you know, some pushing and loading trees. But I mean, what a difference. The tire machines just get stuck everywhere. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and there definitely would be more on this property around here. Got a lot done in a little bit of time with this.